Okay, so what we have here is the screen is into a spline, which is correct. And well, they installed this a little bit strange because typically this goes to the outside, but anyways, it's fine. This is all good. And they have another track here, and there's absolutely no way, there's zero play. I tried stretching this, and as much as I would like to, for the sake of just getting it done, fix that existing screen, it just will not. So I got a new piece, high visibility, high durability screen. It'll go into the spot, and we'll do this whole panel. I'm going to strip this out, put a brand new one in, and it'll look like $1,000,000. Kind of similar to what you have. Mine's high visibility, high durability, but this one looks like it started like that, so okay.